Hey friends, let's make some super cute Halloween flags to decorate your house this year, or let your cute little spooky boo crew, you know, all those super cute kids, hold those around for their fun trick-or-treating. All right, so we're gonna start with a flag-shaped piece of felt. This is 9 inches by 3 inches, and all I did was cut the big long strip and then folded it in half and then cut that little angled, I don't know, opposite triangle out the bottom. Yep, more technical terms over here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw some other felt down because, you know, it's black and you can't see white flags on white. So we're gonna get a 12-inch dowel here, and then we're gonna glue this bad boy in. So I'm just throwing some glue straight down the middle and adding my 12-inch dowel. I'm not putting it at the top. I'm letting about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch to an inch go off the top so that we can add some fun little flair to our super cute flag at the end. All right, so we're gonna glue that up, line it up, and we're gonna go ahead and get started decorating it. So I found these super cute little letters, die cuts, thin wafer dies on Amazon. Check out the link below if you wanna snag them. They're so cute. They are delicate though, so work slow and carefully as you cut all of these little intricate letters out. But look at this, boo crew, woohoo! All right, so then I'm grabbing this super cute Sizzix Thinlit dies, and they have so many fun little shapes. So I just kind of went nuts and just cut out a ton of different shapes all out of felt. Worked great on my Sizzix Pro, and now I'm just kind of lining up where I want because I have so many of these cute little shapes. I want to make sure that I don't just start gluing stuff down and before I'm like, oh no, I didn't like that. So I always love to line everything up first before I start gluing, just so that you have an idea of what you're doing first. So I have these cute little gems and different pieces that I added, sequins, whatnot, just to make it super cute. After I put it all down, I slowly went back and glued each piece down individually, just so that way it all was in the exact right spot. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab some super fun yarn. I just went to Hobby Lobby and found all these super fun, crazy, cute little Halloween colors. So I have these pom-pom makers, link below if you wanna snag some. I love using these. They work so great and make everything so easy. And all you do is just twist it around each side of the little pom maker and to make a cute little pom. And I'm doing all 3 strands of the 3 different yarn colors at once, just to make it like super fun and a bunch of different colors, and just kind of tie in all the colors that I have on my wands as well. This is the fun part, when you start cutting it and seeing how it's gonna slowly come together. So you cut both sides first. And then we're gonna go ahead and get another piece of string and string it down through the middle so that way we can make a cute little pom. So this piece of string is gonna hold it all together and just keep it all from falling apart on us. So you're gonna probably knot it. I like to knot it like once or twice just to make sure that it's super secure. And then you're gonna open it up and separate this bad boy. Sometimes it's a little tricky and you gotta make sure you get all those strands after you cut them and just pull it apart. And look, oh my gosh. I know, it looks like a hot mess, but we will clean her up. I like to roll it in my hand and then find all these super long strands and just trim them up. And definitely have something to catch all this because it certainly makes a mess, but it's a fun mess. All right, so this is our cute little pom right there. Isn't she cute? And I love all the fun colors in there. And now we're gonna clean all that up. All right, so back to our thing. I'm just gonna pop this right on top because, I mean, why not, right? Adding a generous amount of glue around the top of our dowel and just kind of finding a nice little hole and pushing our yarn ball right on there and then re-fluffing it to make it a pretty little ball again. Ta-da! Oh wait, but we're not done. I'm just grabbing some big chunky black yarn, some purple yarn, and some of the same yarns that we used in our little pom ball here, and then just tying a little bow around, or it's more like a knot around the bottom, just to give it a little more fun and flair. Now you could totally have your little boo crew be walking around Halloween with this, throw it in a little vase, or whatever, to use it for your decorations around your house, and lots of different designs that you can do, and just be super creative on all the fun stuff. Thanks for joining me. Check out my link in the description for all the fun dies I used. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new fun videos.